Hello, welcome back to part 3 in answering this test question. What is the value of y and what's the value of z? So, as you may remember in part 2 video, I explained how sides opposite are equal to each other. That makes this value here 12. That makes this opposite of this length of this rectangle 8. And 12 plus 8 answers that value of z. Okay, I'll show you that in a second. I'd like to continue my thought here. So sides opposite each other are equal in a rectangle. So if this is 4, the length that I added here for this side of the rectangle has also got to be 4. And the thought is 4 plus y would equal the 10. So what does y have to equal? Well, 6 plus 4 is 10. Let's break that all down here. Going to show you z equals 12 plus 8, which is 20. Y equals that 10 minus the value of 4, which is 6. Again, there's always more than one way to get to that answer in mathematics. So if I went too fast, I'd want to show you that again. So 4 from 10 is 6. That's y value equals 6. And of course, sides opposite are equal to each other. So 12 plus 8 gives you the value of z, which is 20. So your answer... Whoa, I'm getting off track here. Oh my goodness. Your answer is C. Y equals 6 and Z equals 20. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. And this skill is new to you. I have a few ways here that you could search the internet for worksheets with answers. Again, you want to search worksheets with answers. You want to know if you're doing it right or wrong. If you're doing it right, keep doing it because you're doing a great job, right? If you're doing it wrong, you want to know what mistakes you've made in order to correct those mistakes, and then continue to practice, and you'll find yourself improving over time. Don't quit. Don't give up. You absolutely can do this. Math is easy, step by step. So perform an internet search for free worksheets with answers, filling in the blanks for what I'm going to show you below. Finding values of rectangular perimeters. Finding values of rectangular perimeters. Finding missing values of irregular rectangular shapes. That's the shape of the backyard. It's irregular rectangular shape. And then finally, finding perimeter of irregular rectangular shapes. That might give you a little bit more worksheets with answers to practice on. Remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. You absolutely can do this. Thank you for joining me. Please like, follow, share, subscribe. Help me help others achieving their goals and passing these GED and HiSET standardized math assessments. Thank you again for joining me.